Good afternoon, guys. It is Wednesday, July 31st, 2019. We just picked up our load out of Fulton. And once again, we're going up to St. Albans. We're running just a little bit later today. It is now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. But we had the last load, which isn't due until tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock into St. Albans, so it wasn't ready till
turn right, then turn right.
Just a little while ago. Yeah, we should be in there before 11 o'clock tonight. All right, rolling. It is a lot nicer today. We're just about 79 degrees out. Beautiful day, low humidity. Perfect kind of day. Perfect kind of summer day for upstate New York anyway. It was good. I had some time to get another video edited. I'm way behind on my videos. I don't know, by the time you see this I might be caught up. I don't know. But I just was editing the video from the 19th. And that took a lot of editing. Just takes a long time to go through all the footage. I had quite a bit of footage, so I take a lot of video. Probably every day, you know, if I'm a normal day anyway, I'm probably taking a couple hours worth of video, 2 or 3 hours worth of video. So it's a lot to look through. A lot of it's garbage. Unfortunately, a lot of it's garbage. I'm starting to think that be easier just to do a video where I talk to the camera, 2 or 3 takes and it's done. But I know there's a lot of other trucking videos out there, but I'm trying to make mine different instead of more of the same old. What other trucking videos do you guys watch? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I mean, I like Trucker Josh a lot. I'm not sure. I probably would have came across any other trucking videos that had more followers than him, but he has, I think he's around 93,000 followers now. Subscribers. I like him a lot. I like Trucking with Selena. That's a husband and wife team. They're with Landstar. If you haven't watched them yet, check them out. I like OTR Rookie. Excellent videos. Really smart young man right there. See, what else? Indiana Jack. I try to stay away from the drama ones. Don't care for all the drama. Trucker Ray. Rudy. Oh, I almost forgot about Rudy. I like Rudy a lot. He's from Canada too. Trucker Jukebox. There's a bunch out there. There's a bunch. I'm sure there's a lot more I don't know about. A lot of smaller channels like mine. There's probably thousands of them. But leave down in the comments down below. Who do you like? What's your favorite trucking channel? I know you're going to say mine. Just kidding. Yeah, so we got, 257 miles to go. Actually, we got less than that. GPS won't reroute me till I get past this turn up here. I think it's pretty close to the same now. We've got about 245 miles to go.
Right.
Most of it 2-lane. We got the one stretch on 81 of highway. The rest everything's all 2-lane. But it's 5:15 now. By the time we get off 81 up north of Watertown and start running up Route 11, you know, it'll be after 6. The traffic dies down a lot. Not that there's a lot of traffic, just getting through the towns and stuff sometimes takes a little bit. We should have a pretty good trip into St. Albans. And then we're going to return back down here to Fulton.
Turn right.
And pick up tomorrow to deliver a Waterbury on Friday. Waterbury, Vermont. And I don't know, we'll deliver that Friday afternoon, and then we're going home, trying to find a load to go out to Ohio. But I got an appointment for first thing Monday morning in the shop in Ohio, so probably gonna end up just deadheading out there. Take my trailer with me and pick up a load out of there. Should be able to get a load out of there pretty easily. It's a little bit better area than over here in the Northeast. Ohio's a little better. Hopefully it'll be rolling again by Wednesday of next week. Then I got to be home again for Sunday for a thing I'm committed to on Sunday. And then the week after that I'll work all week, and I need to be back home by Saturday, and then I'm going on a week's vacation. So we got our schedule laid out for us. Hopefully I can work the days that I'm available to work. I'm looking at the freight board, or spot market, if you whatever you want to call it. It's kind of scary looking. I think I still could make some money off it. Not like it was this time last year. This time last year, rates were crazy. You know, they were starting to fall off by now, but earlier, you know, this time last year, earlier in the summer, is just rates were through the roof. Now they're way down, way down. Talking to an agent the other day, and a load that used to pay $2.52 a mile, which wasn't a good rate, but it was good for coming out of Maine, or coming out of it was coming out up here, upstate New York, going out to Illinois, which the rate was never real high going to Illinois, because Illinois was a high demand outbound state. I mean, you can get out there, you can get all kinds of good freight. So the rate going out was a little bit lower. I think they're pulling that lane now for under $1 a mile. I don't know how they can do it. How can they do it? Anyway, enjoy the ride up to St. Albans, and we'll see you then. Okay guys, we arrived here at St. Albans. I just dropped my trailer. I'm hooked up to my empty. I gotta go sweep it out, and then we're gonna be on the way back down towards Fulton. Okay, well, we're gonna wrap it up for today's show. Glad you were here. Leave me a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and think about subscribing if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time on the Trucker John Show. Take care now.